So now it's tune number 11, and that is answer the public.com. So this is how the Answer the Public website actually looks like. So what you will find over here is you will find all the top searches, all you will get the fresh content ideas from this website. You will get all the consumer thoughts, what they are thinking more about, what is the emerging trend right now, what is the stream. You then even streamline your content production, you then generate content ideas in settings, and you then even populate your the content calendar quickly with keyword driven insight. You then tap into the billions of real time search queries to understand exactly what your customers are asking. You then even analyze search engine data by using Answer the Public AI tools. You then generate a treasure trove of relevant phrases and questions around your keyword. So right now I am a free user, that's why I am getting 3 searches per day that I can use on on the answerthepublic.com. I can only do 3 searches per day, but if you are someone a paid member, you will get many searches to do. So based on this platform, you get most of the answers based on what's trending, what people are mostly interested in, based on your country, how they are reacting to the topic or the keyword that you have given, what's the search volume, how is the total cost per ad or more. So let's go for my country and search for what topic is right now trending. So let's go for India. What's my It's always come in United States. Yes. So let's go for United States only because it's not that in change. I don't know why this thing is happening. But let it be. Let's go for US and let's search with a keyword based on AI. And let's go for all based search. So let's search for idea topics and what people are searching for, what's really trending on social media, what is people are searching on Google, what is a question that they are asking on Doodle or on Binge. Let's see the common prompts over here. What are the top AI platforms for small business automation? Then the next one is which AI powered virtual assistant app is offers the best productivity. So let's go for over here the top idea that I can even create my videos on. So over here, it's given how do I subscribe to AI-driven customer support software. So where can I find AI tools for social media and content creation? What are the best AI photo editing services? Which AI-powered virtual assistant app offers the best productivity features? Then all the hashtags are given over here. The volume of hashtags, AI United, AI, AIH, AI agents over here based on social media. When you will come over here, here is AI director, the search engine, the SEO part, AI detection, AI Grammarly, AI definition, AI doctors. When you will come down over here, the common prompts for AI is here. How to integrate AI chatbot in e-commerce, the organic search for AI detector, AI detector for free in Google and Binge. So this is how you can see the whether it's social media, the result of hashtags that's working right now based on AI, the topics. You can even create your posts, your social media reels based on these topics, and it's going to perform really well. So now let's go for some other topics. Let's go for finance and see what's working right over here based on finance. So the top ideas, this tool is generating top ideas based on finance that I then create my social media post on. So over here you then see how then I start investing with a small amount of money using online platforms. So this one is the second one, with services offer no free stock trading. This one is Finance Honda. This one is what are the best app for budgeting and expense tracking. So if I want to create a content based on finance, these are the topics that I can simply draw for it and create a content around it, whether it's a for short form content or a long form. So people also ask from rural is finance, which finance degrees pays the most. If you will come down over here, you will see what is the highest paying degree in finance, which field of finance pays the most, how long will a 7% withdrawal rate last. Then this one over here is business finance, a lot of math. So people are also searching based on these topics, based on these questions on Doodle. So when you will come down over here, let's zoom in. So what finance job pays 6 figures? What job in US pays more than $300,000 a year? So what is the finance based? Which field in finance pays the most? So if you are someone a finance based creator, you can create content based on all of these questions that people have asked on Doodle. So this way you can create trending, you can create viral social media content for yourself, because these are the questions that people are asking for on Doodle and they want these answers. If you will create content based on solving all these questions, problems, then you will be a great content creator when it comes to the finance field, because people really need answers for these questions. So this is how this tool actually works, is it gives you all the data when it comes to social media, search engines, so when it comes to the questions that people are asking on Google and more of that stuff. I am a free user, that's why I am getting free search it. If you are a paid user, this tool is a really worth tool, because you get all the trending questions, all the search volume. The finance based search volume is really high on Google. You get all the stats over here and you then simply do your business or stuffs, or you can create content around all of these search based questions and queries. So this was all from the answerthepublic.com, and this tool works like crazy. You get so many questions, so many queries. What's the search volume? What's the best hashtags? What's really working well on social media? What's the search engine click to expand, click to rate and more, the finance help, the finance hub, the finance house and more. These all are a lot for me, the volume and CPC, just because I'm not a paid user. But if you are a paid user, this tool is going to help a lot when it comes to creating content or publishing your content. So this was all from this lecture. I will see you in the next one.